Learned a federal investigation is underway into the controversial release of medical records from Vanderbilt's transgender clinic. The release came at the request of Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti. News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us if the request and release went too far and violated privacy laws.
What we are talking about here is the HIPAA law, which protects the privacy of a patient's medical records. Now, there are exceptions for civil investigations, but there also are guidelines and limits.
The Department of Health and Human Services for the U.S. government is investigating that Vanderbilt too, and the Attorney General.
When did you learn this?
I learned that yesterday. I talked to the Office of Civil Rights there. They are investigating it. It's a priority for them.
Abby Rubenfeld is part of the legal team that's filed a class action lawsuit against Vanderbilt Medical Center, alleging it failed to safeguard the privacy of its patients in the transgender clinic. The hospital had responded to a request from the state attorney general for medical records. Anthony Skrmetti told Phil Williams he's looking into alleged improper billing issues.
Is this a transgender investigation?
No, this is a fraud investigation. It's hard out there for transgender people, and I don't want to persecute them. I just want to make sure that our laws are enforced in the appropriate constitutional way.
He's the one making it hard. He's gone after the trans community. I don't care how many excuses he gives on TV. I don't want to persecute. Then don't.
Skrmetti says there is no political agenda. Rubenfeld says there is, to intimidate trans patients.
And he talks about there's no exception to the fraud laws for politics. That's garbage. There's no exception to HIPAA for his political agenda.
So there is the class action lawsuit, and now there is the federal investigation. Yes, under HIPAA, medical records can be released for a civil investigation, but in the least obtrusive way. And Rubenfeld says they went way beyond that. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
And the class action lawsuit was filed on July 24th. Vanderbilt is expected to file a response with the state court before the end of the month.